Want to start running but don't know where to begin? Here's a quick step-by-step guide to get you moving. Step 1. Start with a 5-minute warm-up, walking or dynamic stretches. Step 2. Wear comfortable running shoes to avoid injuries. Step 3. Run at a slow, steady pace, try 30 seconds running, 30 seconds walking. Step 4. Breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth to stay energized. Pro tip. Don't worry about speed, consistency is key. Just aim to run 2 to 3 times a week. Start small, stay consistent, and you'll get better. Avoid them to run better and stay injury-free. Running too fast too soon. Start slow, build endurance before speed. Bad posture, stay upright, relax shoulders, land mid-foot. Skipping warm-ups. Always do dynamic stretches before running. Listen to your body. Consistency beats speed. Small improvements make a big difference. Which mistake have you made? Struggling to run without getting tired? Here's how to build stamina and go from 0 to 5K. Step 1. Use the run-walk method. Start with 30 seconds running, 1 minute walking. Step 2. Run 3 to 4 times a week, increasing time by 10% each week. Step 3. Focus on controlled breathing in through the nose, out through the mouth. Pro tip. Slow down. Running too fast will drain you. Pace yourself and let your body adapt. How far can you run now? What if I told you running every day could transform your body fast? Let's break it down. Week 1. Your legs will burn. Sore muscles, heavy breathing, but your endurance is already improving. Week 2. Your heart is getting stronger. More oxygen, better stamina, and you're running longer with less effort. Week 3. Your metabolism is on fire. Fat burns faster, muscles get leaner, and you feel more energized. Week 4 and beyond, your brain, hooked. Running releases endorphins, which means less stress, better focus, and a serious mood boost. But wait. Running every day can backfire if you don't rest. Mix in easy runs and listen to your body. Recovery equals gains. Would you try running every day? Struggling to catch your breath while running? Don't quit. These simple breathing tricks will help you run longer, feel stronger, and never give up. Tip 1. Breathe deep, not shallow. Inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. This fuels your muscles with more oxygen. Tip 2. Sync your breath with your steps. Try inhale for 3 steps, exhale for 2. This keeps you in rhythm and prevents side stitches. Tip 3. Run tall and relaxed. Chest open, shoulders down. Good posture equals better airflow equals more endurance. Pro tip, exhale strong. Push out all the air to clear carbon dioxide and make space for fresh oxygen. And remember, running is about progress, not perfection. Running gets easier the more you show up.